So, the referral notes flagged issues with confusion. But is this more dementia or medication related?
It's hard to say, Mihira. She's on amitriptyline for chronic pain, possibly contributing. Her daughter also mentioned episodes of agitation, especially after her iron infusion.
Hmm, that could be restlessness from low folate. And did the physio mention gait instability?
Yes, but also raised concerns about a fall risk. Her Parkinson's diagnosis complicates that, though her tremor's mild.
Right. And her vitamin B12 levels were borderline. Plus, she's had recurrent UTIs, which can exacerbate confusion too.
True, but it's the daytime wandering that worries the care home. They suspect sundowning, but it's happening at noon.
Then not classic sundowning. Could be disinhibition, possibly frontal lobe signs. Let's review her meds and request a neuroconsult. Meanwhile, flag the folate levels and ask for speech to review cognition.
Agreed, Mihira. I'll note the priorities: folate, neuroreferral, and monitoring agitation. When caring for Mihira, it is essential to approach her recovery with a gentle and watchful eye, ensuring she feels fully supported as she regains her strength. Please stay very alert to any physical changes that might suggest her body is struggling to heal. If you notice she develops a high fever, experiences sharp or worsening abdominal pain, or seems unusually confused or disoriented, these are significant signs that require immediate medical attention. Keeping a close watch on her overall well-being during this time will help prevent any setbacks and ensure she remains on a steady path toward wellness. To facilitate her full recovery, we have organized a comprehensive follow-up plan that includes both physical assessments and laboratory testing. We will need to carefully monitor her bilirubin levels to ensure her internal systems are functioning correctly, alongside tracking vital indicators like her weight and temperature. During her next visit, a thorough abdominal examination will be conducted to assess her progress. This structured follow-up is not just a clinical requirement, but a way to provide Mihira with the highest standard of care, ensuring every aspect of her health is being nurtured. By staying consistent with these checkups, we can adjust her care as needed and give her the peace of mind she deserves while she heals.